In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number in Taobao. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Taobao account and that you have access to both your old phone number and the new one, because you'll need to receive verification codes on each. The app interface may appear in Chinese depending on your settings, so I'll mention the Chinese labels along with their English meaning to help you match what you see on screen. Start by opening the Taobao app and logging in if you aren't already. From the home screen, tap 我的 Taobao, which is My Taobao. This is usually along the bottom of the screen and takes you to your personal account area where all your profile and settings options live. Next, head into your account settings. Look for the gear icon, the standard settings symbol, and tap it. In the menu that opens, select Zhang Hu Yu An Quan, which means account and security. This section controls your login details, security options, and the phone number linked to your account. Now you're ready to update the number. Find and tap Shouji Hao or mobile number. On the next screen, choose Genghuan Shouji Hao, which means change phone number. Taobao will first ask you to verify your current number for security. Enter your current phone number exactly as it's saved on your account. Then check your old phone for a verification code, sometimes called an OTP. Enter that code in the app to confirm you're the account owner. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, make sure you have a stable signal, and avoid closing the app. Also double check that your old SIM can still receive texts. Codes are time limited, so request a new one if it expires. Once the old number is verified, you'll add the new one. Type in your new phone number and be sure to select the correct country or region code first so Taobao can recognize it. Small mistakes here can block the SMS from arriving, so review the digits before you continue. After you submit the new number, Taobao will send another OTP to that number. Retrieve the code from your new phone and enter it back in the app. When the code is accepted, choose Confirm or Save to finish. You should see a success message indicating that your Taobao phone number has been updated. From now on, this new number will be used for login verification and security alerts. If you plan to sign in on a new device later, remember to use the updated number. That's it. Your Taobao account is now linked to your new phone number.